Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola Ray Airline. So today I'm going to teach us how to style a new wig. When you get a new wig, some of us don't know how to style the new wigs when we get it. So this is a new wig I'm going to be using as practical. So this is a new one. This is a bouncy cold wig. So I'm going to teach us how to style it. So yeah, I'll just be wearing the wig for the mannequin egg. This is me wearing the wig for the mannequin egg. So this is me after putting the wig on the mannequin head. So I like to always hold my wig with my T-pins. You can see T-pins. I like to hold it firm because when styling, when you don't hold it firm, the wig can be coming off from the mannequin head. So this is me holding each side firm. So now I'll be showing us the tools I'll be using to style this wig. So firstly, you need your most important thing, hot comb. This is the hot comb. Then you will need your rat tail comb, the tail comb. Then you also need your wax stick and your big comb because it's a bouncy curls there. So we also need our scissors. I'll be showing what I'll be using for. So we also need our hair clips. So I'll be showing what I'll be using for too. Then we also need our oil. That's the oil used for wigs. This type of oil. You can use any brand. I will state it in the caption what different type of oils for hairs. So I'll be stating it there. So now, firstly, what I will do now is brush the hair to the back. So there's no need to worry; it will still hold. So what I'm doing now, I'm brushing the hair to the back. So after brushing the hair to the back, I'm going to just clip it like this way, just to hold the closure from the hair, from the lace. So I'll put it again by this side. And I'll do the same thing for the other side too. So just me brushing it. Same thing for the other side. So now that I've held it very well, so the next thing I'll be doing is cutting off the lace, because this part is very paramount when you get a new wig, because many of us don't know how to cut the lace. You actually used to cut the hair with the lace. So I'll be showing you very well how to cut the lace now. This is the lace. So this is what I'll be doing. I'm taking the scissors carefully. Just have to be extra careful, because once you cut the lace badly, you spoil the hair, and the hair will not be useful for you or whoever you want to style it on. So see how it looks after cutting the lace. You can see the hair and the lace itself. So that's very important when styling. So I'm about to trim a bit of the lace that is left. So that's trimming one side. And the other side, I just trim a little bit. So that's basically it. So we've successfully trimmed the lace of this hair. So now we'll go back to the styling process. We'll go back to styling this hair now. So I removed the hair clips from it, so I'm going to just comb it. So see it already before even styling. It's already looking like hair. So once you go on there very well, so it's already looking nice. See it. So now I'm going to style it now. So what I'll be using now is my hot comb and wax stick, like I showed earlier. So this is our wax stick. So our wax stick. So I'm going to just pull it up. Push it up. So this is me pushing it up. So what I will do now is that I'll put the wax stick on the root of the hair. And I'll put it for the other side too. So now, I've already plugged my outcome. So this is, you can see it. very hot, so I'm going to just use to press the air down this way. So I'll press the outcome on it just to make it flat. We're trying to make the closure flat. So I'm noticing something here. The way I'm making it flat is still coming up. So what I always like to do is that I will cut the air. I will cut it bit by bit. So this means cutting it bit by bit. So if I do bit by bit, that way it gets flatter. So I'm just holding it with a clip now. Yeah, clip for this side. So I'll put my wax stick just to ensure every part of it is flat. Just do that way till I get to the other side too. Just making sure the pattern is straight enough. Pattern is very important for it to be straight so that your wig can get a good shape and can come out very nice at the long run. So you can see that this side is already flat. That's what we're trying to achieve, it should be flat. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side too. So for this other side too, I'll do the same way I did for the other part. So I'm going to pat it. So I'm going to get that flatness I want, So that's what I'll do again. Maybe the other one. So this step applies to any type of wig you get, whether it's a closure, a frontal, any type, a 360. Just style it this way. It helps make your closure flatter and lay on your head properly. So I'm going to be putting the iron on this. So this is what you do. You just brush it out like I said, then you achieve your curls. So see the way the hair is looking. You just sit on mannequin. Or what if the person now wears it? Say it's looking very beautiful and flattened properly and bouncy. The bounce is very nice and lovely. So see this. So lastly, what we'll be applying now is the hair oil, like I said, the serum. So I'm going to be using macadamia serum by LUODAIS. So you can use any brand of hair serum that is lovely for hair. So there is macadamia, there's ARGAN. So there are different types that are lovely for human hairs. There is LUODAIS, proper LUODAIS, and this product is also from LUODAIS. The macadamia oil from LUODAIS. So there are different types also. There is ARGAN oil and many types. So now we are applying the macadamia oil by LUODAIS. So just a drop. Like I always say, a drop is enough for your hair. You don't need to have the best shine in the world. It's not synthetic hair, it's human hair. Once the human hair is not meant to be shiny, you just need to a little drop and the hair will be going nicely. So just see, just a drop. You can see the drop is okay. So what I'll just do, I'll just rub it on it. That's all. That's all you need. So see the hair now. So this is the outcome of the hair. Don't you just love it? See the way it's flat. The upper part is flat. And see the way the hair comes out very bouncy. So that's it. That's the way you style your wig when you get the new one. It's not something difficult. It's quite very easy. And the tools I use are simple tools that you should have that can help you. But if you don't have it, there's a way you can still apply your straightener to flatten the upper part. The straightener too can help you. All you just need to just flatten it with the straightener. You pull it one by one. Where I was pulling it one by one for the hot comb, you can use your straightener to do the same way. So we'll be trying this. Let me know in your comment section. And thank you for joining today. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in our next video.